Having trouble doing your email customer journey through MailChimp? Don't worry, we got you. With our how-to guide, we'll help you get a thorough understanding of how to do any customer journey with ease. But at first, let me introduce myself. My name is Brianna, and I'm a digital marketing lead at Greyson Enterprises. I currently specialize in web design and email marketing, and I'm here to help you become an email marketer expert. So let's jump right into it. To begin the email automation process, you want to look down the left submenu and click on Pre-Built Journeys. Along this list is all the available automations you can use for any type of journey you'd like. However, for this video, we're going to click on the first one, Welcome New Contacts. Just a disclaimer, you're going to need a paid MailChimp plan. Once you get that settled, you can hit the Use This Journey button. Afterwards, you're going to want to select the audience you want to target. This is based on your email subscribers list, which you can edit in the Audience tab in the left submenu. Afterwards, select your target audience, then hit Continue. Now you're set to customize your journey builders. You can customize it by using the plus sign and select any of the rules or actions you may want to use. Depending on the rule or action, it may require you to do a complete email, message, or activity for the whole automation to work. For example, create an email requires you to do a complete email through its classic or new builder option. For this example though, we already have a complete email. So we're going to go into Save Templates and select our complete email. Once you have a complete email, message, or action, you want to click Save and Return to Journey. After you are back on the main journey builder, you want to select Contact Signs Up and edit your audience. You can filter your journey depending on what, how, or when you want your journey to be triggered. To filter your journey, click on Filter who can enter this journey, and then click on Add Filter. You can select any of the filter items on the left submenu. For this video, however, we're going to set our filter based on date added. I'm going to set my journey to after the last campaign was sent on August 24th, and then select Save Segment. Afterwards, we are going to select Save Starting Point. You can continue to edit your journey if you want to add more triggers throughout, but to keep it simple, we're simply going to have our journey trigger when our contact signs up to our audience. Once you're done editing your journey, click on Turn On button in the top right corner to activate your journey. You are now done. You can continue to edit or revise your journey builder under the Recent Journey section in the Customer Journeys tab. You have now finally learned how to create your customer journey builder and are one step closer to becoming an email marketing expert.